Glenn. Hey, can I see you take the birdie? Where are you going? Hey. Hey. Give the birdie a kiss. Glenn, give Evanescence a kiss. Where are you going? Are you running away from me?
Was it around the time you got pregnant? Yeah. Ooh. Because my fiance of 7 years has been lying to me. And worst of all, I'm scared to death. I love Brandy, and me and Brandy are best friends, and we do everything.
You're so silly.